up, y'all? We back with the IS. So yesterday we were putting the Ateza grill on the car, and now today we are gonna put the new banner on the car. It's dope. Super psyched about this. And I'm putting the rain guards on the car. We are cleaning these old gunky shit off the car. And then we're gonna put the new ones on, so stay tuned.
All right, y'all, just cleaning off the area real good. Do you want to try to put a piece of tape to mark the bottom, like to level it?
To level it up?
Yeah, or at the top maybe?
Yeah.
How you looking on your edge?
Oh, I'm good.
You good?
You gotta touch down.
So these can come off. Damn, you know what now? No roof spoiler.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, it's all good though.
Our roof spoiler still should not be in the way. That's why I brought it down some. The roof spoiler should be like,
It might still hit, huh?
it won't hit this. I don't think it will.
Oh, okay, yeah, it still hits. I mean, it don't hit the thing, but you can see it.
Yeah, you can see it too.
Yep. Yeah, we're gonna repaint this thing, y'all.
Yeah, we're gonna
Coming
repaint this
soon. Hopefully it works out.
See what I'm saying right here?
A little shitty residue.
No, it ain't residue. It's like fucking chipped or something.
Oh, damn. You know, if we prime it up real good, fill that in. Just depend on how good you want it to look, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I mean, like, I want it to look...
You want it to look decent, yeah. All right, y'all, so look, we got the residue off. About to wipe with some alcohol, try to get this ready to install. Working as fast as possible today. Fucking daylight saving, man.
Fuck daylight savings time. But it is tight, though. Because the fall is awesome. But I hate it get dark early.
Right. Man, I remember a couple months ago, this shit was going for like $20.
Alcohol.
On eBay.
Gotta kill the germs. All right, so we got the decaf put on the car. Looks great. Happy with it. This is the visors.
I'll come with a little cleaning pad too. All right, so we are peeling off the edges here and place it on the car, and then we're going, you know, once it's on the car lined up and everything, just peel it off. It's pretty easy. Put your side down there.
Booty
Boy, I got them
diggers.
booty diggers.
Oh!
Got no grip.
Straight booty diggers.
There you go. I'm right on the edge for mine. You on? There's 2 pieces stuck on there. All right, cool. So y'all can see that went on pretty smooth. Got 3 more to go. All right, y'all, same process.
All right, so we got those installed. Thanks for watching the video. Next video will be installing my fog lights, so stay tuned for that. Check out our merch, get you a new beanie. Yeah, you already know. Store got all new shit, fucking masks, new hoodies, new shirts, new shit all the time, new parts. So go check that out. Subscribe. See y'all next time. Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.